Hi guys, so this is my video about my citizen science project. The citizen science project that I took part in was called Instant Wild. It was funded by the Zoological Society of London. It allowed citizens to take part in vital biodiversity identification of different areas just throughout the world. The one specific area that I did was Lua, Kenya. So what Instant Wild does is it takes trail cam footage and compiles it into this website for participants like myself to go in and identify the different animals that are within the trail cam footage. This allows the scientists to gather data without having to go in and meticulously watch each of these videos themselves. It's a quick way and an efficient way for these scientists to gather their data. Here in a minute, you'll see a video kind of laying out how their website looks and works and kind of what the process looks like to do these captures. So if you open up their website, this is what you'll be greeted with. There's just a couple of the films at the top here of some studies that they've done. Then if you hit start tagging, it'll bring you to your most recent project, which for me is the Lua, Kenya project. I just want to show you guys what a video on here would look like, so I picked one I've already done. This video here shows a baby African elephant, and there's also a little bee eater in the front there, if you see it. Normally on the left, it'll give you the option to identify this animal. So here in a second, I'm going to show you what the process of identifying an animal looks like. So just hit go to next animal, and it'll bring you to the next clip for you to identify. Now, if you look on the right over here, you'll see it looks like a female water buck moving through. This is one of the more common species that I've seen throughout this project, so it was rather easy for me to identify this one. You just go in, select your species and how many, and then there's a green button at the bottom that says confirm, and then you can just send it through that way, and then the database will receive your input. Here's just some of the projects that they have done. There's some from Croatia, some on some rainforests in Mexico. If you saw that, that was the Lua, Kenya one I'm working on currently, along with some others. This table shows the data that I've collected over 1,000 captures in a Google Sheet. Any animal with 1 star by it is threatened. Any animal with 2 stars by it is endangered. I found it especially interesting that 2 of the threatened species were 2 of the species I saw the most of in this study. Now I'm going to share with you guys some of my favorite clips that I identified over this study. Just a little sidebar, this bird here decided to make a nest on top of the camera, so you can imagine how many pictures and videos that took. This photo here is of the gravy zebra. It is one of the endangered species on my list. Here it is also walking through the savannah. Here is the other endangered species, the gray-crowned crane. Although Peta's monkey is not threatened, this is one of 2 times I got to see it in the wild. thank you guys for watching my video. If you heard any footsteps throughout it, I blame this guy. So, thanks.